Hey guys, welcome. My name is Jose, and today we will be reviewing the Hart 20-volt Cordless Stick Vacuum with the Brushless Motor. There it is. Let's go ahead and take it inside, unbox it, and do a review on it. Alright guys, we are back inside with the Hart Cordless Stick Vacuum. It is model number HPSV01B. That is the model that I received from Hart. As a disclaimer, Hart did send me this vacuum for free in return to do an honest and thorough review, and that's what we will do today. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this vacuum opened up and see what's all inside. Alright, first up, you have the user manual. Comes in multiple languages. As you can see, it even gives you a chance to enter to win a $100 gift card for a review, writing a review on the Hart's website. Set that aside. Here is your battery charger. A bag of little screws. One 4-amp-hour battery. Here's the bottom part of the vacuum. Pretty cool feature. You turn this knob to unlock it, and then the whole brushes slide on out for easy cleanup and reinstallation. Once it's in, you just lock it back in place. Different types of attachments. This one actually rotates full 360 degrees. Here's the brushless motor extension stick for it. The bag of screws from a minute ago is so you can mount this to the wall if you so choose to, and then you can fit your battery in there, and your other accessories will mount onto this for a clean install. Another little vacuum accessory. Alright, here is the vacuum itself with the brushless motor technology. Let's go ahead and get all of this assembled. And there you have it. There you go, guys. It is fully assembled. All the pieces just clip right onto each other. It offers you a variety of different uses. You can either use it as a traditional vacuum like this. You can go ahead and remove the extension part and directly plug in this for a handheld version of it. You can also remove this one and add any other attachments directly to the handheld portion, which is very nice and convenient if you're working on the stairs, trying to clean your blinds. Different uses that you can think of. You don't have to be limited to just the one extension. Let's put in the battery. Alright guys, well, there you go. There is the unboxing of the stick vacuum. As you saw, just to summarize real quick, you can connect it all as a traditional vacuum. You can remove it and connect it to any of these attachments for a short handheld. Also, you can disconnect it from the bottom and add the extensions at the bottom, and now you have something that you can reach ceiling fans, top of curtains, wherever you might need to reach vertically, or even if you're working on the ground and you don't necessarily need to use the brushes on the bottom. Very thought out by Hart. I am really impressed with all the features and abilities that it has to use. But with that being said, let's put her to test. A few minutes ago, I referred to these items as attachments, but let's go ahead and identify each part by its proper name. First off, we have the cordless stick vacuum, we have the floor head, we have the pet upholstery tool, we have the micro crevice tool, we have the crevice tool, we have a dust brush with a 360-degree swivel head, we have the 4 amp hour battery, the fast charger, the operator's manual, and last but not least, the wall mount. Alright guys, so we've had the vacuum for about a week now. My wife, my kids, as well as myself, we've all used it. We've vacuumed the carpet, the rugs, the bare floor. We even took it out and cleaned the car using the dust brush attachment and the crevice tool, and it did great. Battery lasts a long time, and we are very happy with it. One complaint that we all had though was the fact that it is not self-standing, meaning we have to lean it up against the wall, a piece of furniture, or just lay it on the floor, because if not, it tips over and hits the ground, and you want to protect your investment. But the pros of it are it's cordless, it's lightweight, it comes with a variety of attachments so you can use it on a lot of different projects, take it pretty much anywhere that you so choose. And with that being said, it is a good investment. So if you're considering getting a new vacuum, I recommend you guys check out this Hart cordless stick vacuum. You guys won't be disappointed. With that being said, my name is Jose. Until next time, and as always, do it with Hart.